Hello friends. So in today we are going to cover two collections, sets and dictionary. In last session we covered list and tuple. So now today we are going to cover sets. So sets is another type of collection. It's if we look into its features, so sets are mutable, right? So within set, to declare a value, to just assign a value, we need to just enter values in curly braces. Like for example, sets with single element we can assign like this in curly braces. In double quotes we can just write the value. Sets are mutable. So once we just create a set, after that we can change its value, right? But we can insert value in that, we can update values in that, but we cannot access value with index number. So that's the reason we call it as unordered sets. Means value cannot be accessed through index number, value cannot be edited through index number at particular at specific point, right? Duplicate values are not allowed in the sets, and also it can store values of any data type like integer, string, tuple or boolean. It cannot store values like list, set and dictionary. So it can store data types like integer, string or tuple. So let's look into the practical how to create set and how to assign values in set. So let's look into all the operations which can be performed in sets. That would be helpful to understand this concept. So we can create here new Jupyter notebook, new Jupyter Python notebook. So here we can create a set, say this set, wherein we can assign some values. So we can assign integer type or string type values. To print this set, you have to just write print command and set name. So this way you can create a set. To check its data type, print type, set name. And we can create set with multiple data types of values. So this way you can assign a string as well as integer here. Then later on you can add value here, and you can see that in the sequence we added different sequence here, but when we print it, it gives different sequence of values. So these are not ordered. And if I suppose want to add some value here, to x set dot add, you can add value, and when you print it, it will insert anywhere. This way you can create two different sets and update one set to other set. Suppose I am creating another set. Suppose I have added two values in new set, and you can use x set dot update y set. So this way you can use update command. You can remove any element out of this, any value out of this. So this way you can remove any value. Then if you just type pop command, pop is used to remove last added item. So if you see here, it has removed uh, green. Again, it's not specific that it will be removing last item, but because there is no such sequence or ordered assigned here, so that's the reason it can remove any value. So we can use union command as well. Union method returns a new set with combination of two sets values. For example, suppose I have written I have just created two sets, A set and B set. So this way, here it's double equal sign, that's the reason it's giving error. So A set, B set, and once you create union, it will assign to new set. So this way you can club two sets. And difference between union and update function is, update function is used to assign in same, right? For example, like this is union, and in union it will assign, it will return combination of two sets into new third set. But if you want to use update, so for example, B set dot update A set, so this will update in the same B set. This is the difference in update and union, right? And then there is another method, intersection update. Intersection update is used to return items that are present in both the sets, right? For example, I have created these two sets, or maybe we can create a new set, um, say X, and within that I'm just adding a few names. So I have created two different sets, and in these two sets there is one common value. Suppose I want to use, there are two functions, intersection. So intersection function, intersection method returns a new set with the combination of values. For example, I have created another set Z, and suppose I need to get intersection, which is means value which is common in both the sets. So intersection method creates new set with the combination of values, with the intersection of values, this way. And if we use intersection update in the set only, right? For example, intersection, if I use this way, so intersection update will not return a new set, this way. And then next is symmetric difference. There are two functions, symmetric difference and symmetric difference update. This is opposite of intersection. Symmetric means whatever are not common values, it returns those. So now again, difference is, symmetric difference creates new set, and symmetric difference update uh, just updates in the same set. So suppose I'm using this one. So these are the two sets. Now if I use symmetric difference, so symmetric difference will create new set. this way. And if I use symmetric difference update, so it will update in the same set. For example, z is not required there, symmetric underscore difference underscore update, this way. So this is the difference in symmetric and symmetric difference update. And then another function is clear. Suppose I want to clear, then in that case it will clear complete set, and once you print it, it will give you blank set. And if you use del x, then it deletes from the memory, and if you print x again, then it will give error because it's completely removed from the memory, so x is not defined. So these are the different functions we can use in sets. But we cannot access sets through index number. To access any value from the set, we can use iterator, so that can be used within the loop. So later on, when we do loops like for loop and other loops, then we will perform this function as well, how to iterate sets. So now next collection is dictionary, so let's cover dictionary. So next collection is dictionary. So dictionary, in dictionary we store values like key value pair. For example, if you see here, in curly braces we have to write first key colon then value. So it keeps data in key value pair, and dictionaries are mutable. Mutable means once we create dictionary, later on we can add more values in the dictionary. Dictionaries are unordered. Unordered means we cannot access any item from the dictionary using index number. So to access any value, we have to use key only. I will show you in the practical, that would be more clear in that. Duplicate keys are not allowed in the dictionary. In dictionary, to store empty value, we have to just write in curly braces blank value. In dictionary, key can be integer, string or tuple. Only values can be of any type. Like for example, integer, string, list, tuple, set and dictionary. So I think this would be more clear in the practical. So I think let's cover the practical. That would be helpful to understand this. So in practical, how to create dictionary. So I have just written dictionary name equal name. Name is the key, then value is Reena, then name, this is another key, age, then 25 is value, another key is school, and value is DPS. So this way I have created this dictionary, and you can print this dictionary. To get type of dictionary, you have to write print within bracket type of dictionary name, and length of dictionary, it will give 3 as value because 3 key value pairs are there. So this way we can create a dictionary. Now suppose I want to add list as well in this dictionary. So we can add another key. List cannot be key, right? So we are adding just one key, colors. Within that, value can be list. So this way list can also be added. And you cannot add duplicate values in a dictionary. So suppose I am adding here one more value, say age. Again, age key is already there. So if I add it again, then it will take last one. So it just like, oh, it will overwrite, right? So two duplicate key cannot be added here. So otherwise last key will be overwritten by the existing key, right? So if you want to access value of a particular key, so in that case you can have x equal say dictionary name. So index, from through index number you cannot access, you can access with the key. Suppose I want to access school value, so this way you can access like this key. So this is one way, and another is you can also get value using get function. This way. So this is another way. And if you want to get suppose you want to assign value to particular key, so I want to change its value. So this way you can change value. So school value is changed. If you want to get all the keys, so you can get through keys. Keys will return all the keys. Similarly, you can get all the values. This will return all the values here. Now suppose you want to update year, another new, if you see another new key value pair you want to add here. So this will add another key value pair, or this can be added using update command. For example, you can add like this dot update, and within bracket you can add in curly braces in key value pair. So another key value pair added here. Then you can also remove items. You can use pop command to remove the item with the specific key name. So for example, like dictionary name dot pop. Suppose I want to remove year. It has removed year completely. Similarly, there is pop item. You can use pop item to remove last added key value pair. So it has removed address. So this way we can use we can remove values as well. Then dictionary can be copied to other dictionary. Like for example, I want to create another new dictionary wherein want to just copy this existing dictionary. This way we can create copy of existing dictionary. Then we can use another command, clear. Clear is used to completely clear the dictionary. For example, I want to clear this dictionary. To clear, we can use clear and then print this dictionary. So it will give empty dictionary now, this way. And if we use del command, it will remove a dictionary completely from the memory. And after this, if here you have to write del command, and after this if we try to print it, it will give error because the dictionary does not exist in memory, this one. Then next is we can also create nested dictionary. So let's create one nested dictionary. So a dictionary within that we can have another dictionary. For example, just creating my family as a dictionary. Then within that, another dictionary is father, say, and we will write properties like name and age for all family members. Then close this dictionary, after that comma, then second dictionary. So suppose I have created this dictionary within that three small dictionaries, nested dictionaries within that, and just print here. Okay, here comma is missing. So this way we can have nested dictionary, and similarly we can perform all the operations within this dictionary. So hope this dictionary concept is clear, and we have performed multiple operations to add new key value pair and how to access that. So hope this video is helpful for you. We have covered all the four collections. So let's just revise all the collections so that it would be good to understand, like what is the difference between all the four collections. So if you see, first we covered list are mutable, and how to assign value to list. You have to just write within the square brackets. List are mutable. You once you create list, after that you can edit values in that. List are ordered and indexed. You can access value through its index number. List also allow duplicate values, and it can have any data type of value: integer, string, list, tuple, set, or dictionary. Then next is tuple are immutable. It means when once we create tuple, you cannot edit it or add values to tuple are ordered or indexed. You can access its values through index number. It allows duplicate values. To declare or just assign values to tuple, you have to just write in simple brackets, and it can store any data type of values. Then next is sets. Sets are mutable. Like once you create the sets, then you can also assign or insert more values, but we cannot access values through index number from the sets. Sets we can create through curly braces, and it can also have integer, string, or tuple type of values. List, set, and dictionaries are not allowed here. Then dictionaries are mutable. Dictionaries are in key value pair. This is totally different because it stores in key value pair, and you can access any value through key, not through any index number. It does not allow duplicate keys, and also in dictionary we can keys can be integer type, string type, or tuple type, right? In keys cannot be boolean type, but values can be boolean type or integer type, string type, list type, tuple, set, and dictionary. Within dictionary we created dictionary as well. Within dictionary, in one key, like colors, we added list as well. So this way, dictionary is totally different kind of collection, and all the four collections or all the four data structure items having different properties, different features. Based on that, we can use those collections in the programming. So hope all the four collections are clear now. So I think we have done practical as well. We will do more detailed practical, or maybe how to iterate sets, collections, dictionary, and list. We can do while doing some loops as well. So hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching this.